Welcome to Be Beyond Blissful. I am Richie, and I'm so glad to bring you another episode from our Astro series with Vedic astrologer Ishita Joshi. So far in this series, we've covered some truly fascinating topics like crystals and gemstones and how they align with your birth chart, manifestation techniques based on your date of birth and sun sign. Trust me, guys, this is just the beginning. Together, we'll be covering many such topics that are relevant to today's day and age while keeping Vedic astrology as our anchor. So, whether you are a believer, seeker, or just curious, stay tuned because we are decoding ancient wisdom in such a way that is relevant for today's life. Subscribe, follow, and stay tuned in this journey because the stars may be ancient, but their wisdom is timeless. राह दिखाए दिल और विश्वास in a modern zone. Baby, I'm blissful, feel right at home. Welcome, Ishita.
Thank you.
Another episode. Thank you so much
Yes.
for coming.
No worries. Happy to be back.
आज हम बात करने वाले हैं मैनिफेस्टेशन पे। तो मैनिफेस्टेशन बहुत ही इन है टॉपिक, स्पेशली जो न्यू जनरेशन है, दे रियली बिलीव इन मैनिफेस्टेशन। बहुत सारी टेक्निक्स भी आती हैं। कई बार मैं यूट्यूब पे थंबनेल्स देखती हूँ कि मैनिफेस्टेशन की टेक्निक्स हैं, दिस दैट। आई हैव नेवर ट्राइड, आई डोंट नो कि इफ इट इवन वर्क्स, यू नो। तो what is manifestation basically? Let's start with that.
Yeah. So basically, manifestation is bringing all your thoughts into words in a positive way. Like we get so many thoughts throughout the day, but एक चीज़ ऐसी होती है जो हमें चाहिए. We want कि यार ये होता लाइफ में एंड ये वाली चीज़ चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एज वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट कार्स, तो अगर हाँ आई वॉन्ट दिस कार इन लाइफ, या मुझे ये कार चाहिए, सो दैट इज़ योर थॉट. And then when you actually start working hard for that and you start writing that maybe about your thoughts, and so basically keeping your thoughts and bringing all your thoughts into words. So manifestation is a practice basically to get all the beliefs and faith and write it down, and and things can get manifested.
So अपनी intention strong रखो और believe करो, and so you can manifest.
Yes.
It does actually
Yes.
work. तो how does manifestation work? या कैसे करते हैं manifest?
So basically, manifestation, there are n number of techniques for manifestation, and the more you search on the on social media, more techniques you will start getting. So there's a very common technique which is called 369, and it is from Nikola Tesla, and it's a very beautiful technique, very easy, but it has to be done in a certain way. So before we actually start, with the technique, that how the technique works, I would like to discuss that what is manifestation, and how can we do the manifestation. So basically, for manifestation, it is very, very important that you follow 5 steps. And the first step being that you have to believe in manifestation and what you're writing. So that is very, very important. Faith is extremely important in manifestation. Then second is the practicality. If it is practical thing or not, whatever you're manifesting. And then the third thing is that it has to be very specific. Like for example, you have to put an amount. Suppose you're doing money manifestation, okay, so you have to say that I want to have, or I have started getting $50,000 in my bank account. It has to be that specific. It cannot be like I want to get money, or I'll be rich, something like that. Not very vague line. Basically, it has to be really proper, exact manifestation that you want to get. And then the fourth thing is that it has to be for a small duration. It can't be something like I will become a CEO in next 5 years, or I will become an owner of this place in next 2 years. It can't be like that. It has to be 1 year specific, that in 2 months time I will start getting this, or I will get a promotion in next 2 months, something like this, which is more practical. And lastly, it has to be something which is time bound, that you have to put the time duration there, that in 2 months I'll start getting this, or maybe in 4 weeks I will start having this. So this is very, very important, that whatever you manifest, it has to come in these five things, have to follow these 5 things before you manifest.
ये बहुत आई थिंक वेरी सिंपलिस्टिक रूल्स हैं ये, क्योंकि हम टाइम एंड स्पेस में रहते हैं, सो यू हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट दैट कि आप नहीं बोल सकते कि हाँ मैं कल सुबह मेरे अकाउंट में $100,000 आ जाए, ऑफ कोर्स नहीं आएंगे वो.
Exactly.
और यू नो व्हेन यू आर मैनिफेस्टिंग यू हैव टू नो कि टाइम एंड स्पेस विल कैच अप व्हेन इट विल, क्योंकि जिस 3D वर्ल्ड में हम रहते हैं, जिस यूनिवर्स में हम रहते हैं, दिस इज़ हाउ थिंग्स वर्क.
True.
एंड डेफिनेटली आई थिंक विद इंटेंशन तो आपकी डेफिनेटली बहुत क्लियर होनी चाहिए. इंटेंशन, आई ट्रूली मैं बिलीव करती हूँ इंटेंशन में, कि अगर आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो, अगर उसके पीछे आपकी इंटेंशन ही नहीं है या आपकी इंटेंशन कुछ और है, दैट विल नॉट वर्क आउट वेरी वेल एनीवे, वो ठीक से काम होगा ही नहीं. सो आई एम ओके. सो सिर्फ ये 5 रूल्स हमने फॉलो करने हैं.
Exactly. I mean, these are not rules जो लिखे हुए हैं and you have to follow these rules. ऐसा नहीं है. ये बहुत ही common एक चीज़ें हैं for manifestation जो हर किसी को सोचनी चाहिए before they actually start manifesting. Because it is very important कि you have to know the specific manifestation that you have to do. ऐसा नहीं, because otherwise सब लोग ना ऐसे ही बोलते हैं कि अरे it's fake, क्या manifestation करना, मैंने किया था नहीं हुआ, but did you do it with that intention?
क्योंकि क्रिएटर तो आपके अंदर बैठा है ना,
Exactly.
आपकी इंटेंशन नहीं है, बस आप बोल रहे हो ना, आपको उस चीज़ की यू डोंट नीड दैट थिंग, आपको रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है उस चीज़ की, बट जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ इट आपने कहीं पे देख लिया, यू वांट इट, तो बट यू डोंट एक्चुअली नीड इट, एंड इनसाइड यू नो आई डोंट नीड इट. सो द क्रिएटर इज इनसाइड यू, द क्रिएटर इज नॉट गोइंग टू मैनिफेस्ट इट फॉर यू, आई थिंक.
Exactly. So it has to be very specific, the intention, and even when you're actually manifesting, like as the technique which I said 369, which I'll explain. But whenever you are doing that technique, also the intention has to be very, very clear. It can't be that you're writing the positive affirmations, but then you're thinking something negative, and you're thinking that ये हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा, यार क्या होगा कैसे होगा. You can't do that. If you're doing that, then definitely your manifestation is not working. I mean, there is no point of wasting your energy and time.
Of course.
So, and coming back to the technique, so basically 369 is a very straightforward technique, as the number says, and the numbers are very, very powerful. 3 is number of knowledge, 6 is number for Venus, which is luxury and the creativity, and then 9 is the power, the energy that you every one of us want. So basically 3 numbers together, they work amazingly, and it means, so whenever you're manifesting something with this technique, so 3 means you write your manifestation or whatever you want to manifest 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night or in the evening, basically before sleeping, obviously. So you have to write that, and जब आप लिख रहे हो, you have to maintain a separate diary for that. You can't just scribble on any piece of paper and just throw it out after that. You have to maintain a small diary for that, and it would be like a secret book for you. You cannot show it or you cannot share it with everyone. या आप उसको ऐसे कहीं भी नॉर्मल बुक्स की तरह नहीं रख सकते हो कि अरे ये सारी बुक्स के साथ ये मेरी अपनी सीक्रेट डायरी, ऐसा नहीं. कीप इट, एंड इट्स नॉट समथिंग कि आप अपने लॉकर में लॉक करके रखो, बट इट हैज़ टू बी केप्ट इन अ सेफ एंड अ नाइस प्लेस, जहाँ पे आप एवरी डे आप 3 times आप उसको देख रहे हो, आप लिख रहे हो, क्लोजिंग इट एंड कीपिंग इट विद अ पॉजिटिव इंटेंशन, ऑफ कोर्स. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक विद अ डायरी, एज आई सेड. एंड देन very important thing which most of us ignore or they do not know is the ink of the pen they have to use. So
the color of the ink?
the color of the
Okay.
ink, basically. So the ink has to be red in color. So red pen body red नहीं होना चाहिए, red ink होनी चाहिए.
रेड कलर का पेन होना
Exactly,
चाहिए,
exactly.
राइट.
And then you have to manifest. And please, you have to be really, really specific. As I said, आप 10 चीज़ें manifest एक साथ नहीं कर सकते हो.
और सबको बता भी नहीं सकते.
Exactly.
वैसे भी बड़े बुजुर्ग हमेशा कहते हैं कि आप काम होने से पहले सबको मत बताओ, क्योंकि कभी वो पूरा नहीं होता है.
Exactly.
So yeah.
Exactly. So it is very important कि आप क्या लिख रहे हो, कितनी बार लिख रहे हो और उसको कैसे लिख रहे हो, इंक कौन सी यूज़ कर रहे हो. एंड एज आई सेड कि you cannot share that information with everyone, and जो आप लिख रहे हो, it has to be exactly the same for all the 3 times during the day that you're writing, and you have to write this for 45 days.
45 days.
Yes.
Okay, so 369 for 45 days.
Yes.
That's manifestation.
That is it.
Okay, amazing. That is very simple. I think वो सब कर सकते हैं.
Exactly. It's very easy, very simple. But जो लोग नहीं कर पाते वो है patience. So patience is extremely important, and it comes along with manifestation.
So that brings me कि कई बार हम देखते हैं videos में, thumbnails में कि manifest in 24 hours. How does that work? 45 days and 24 hours, I mean, there's a lot of gap, so.
That is true. So you know what, like whenever we have to get something, we have to work hard for it, and manifestation is like hard work. So 24 hours में what I feel, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप पूरा कुछ भी manifest कर सकते हो 24 hours में. I personally feel it is important that आप manifestation जब कर रहे हो तो आप उसको एक practice बनाओ. As I said initially कि manifestation is a practice. So you have to practice that. आपको everyday practice करना पड़ता है. बहुत सारी techniques होती है which will say, you know, 555 technique होती है which says कि आप 5 days करो. ठीक है, अपनी अपनी techniques होती है, सब अपना अपना बोलते हैं. But that includes आपका consistency and the intention. ओके, सो 24 आवर्स में मे बी कोई बहुत ही छोटी चीज़ आपने मैनिफेस्ट करी और वो शायद आपको नेक्स्ट डे मिल जाए. बट आई 100% बिलीव इन मैनिफेस्टिंग फॉर you know, a certain number of days, not 24 hours.
So generally it doesn't happen. So
yeah, it is very unlikely to happen that 24 hours में, you know, आपको वो हो गया, आपने manifest कर लिया. Even like whenever we say overnight successful हो गया, there's nothing you know, nothing true about that. You never see the hard work which the person has done for 8 years basically. So
true, I totally agree there कि overnight कुछ भी नहीं होता है. For 24 hours, yes, I think that कुछ ऐसा टाइम होता है आई गेस दिन में जब आप कुछ बोलो तो वो बात सच हो जाती है. तभी हमारे बड़े बोलते थे कि आप ऑलवेज से पॉजिटिव. कुछ ऐसा कभी मत बोलो जो आप नहीं चाहते ना हो, क्योंकि दिन का कोई टाइम ऐसा होता है कि आपकी कहीं भी बात सच हो जाती है.
Exactly. So that's why, you know, manifestation 369 सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं बना that you can manifest anything. It also tests you. आपको टेस्ट भी तो कर रहा है. 45 days तक आप consistently उसी टाइम बैठ रहे हो, 3 times बैठ रहे हो, लिख रहे हो, you're getting into that zone. That is like testing your patience only. And the feeling of positivity. And if you feel positive for 45 days, maybe you'll start feeling more positive after that.
And you will attract positivity.
Exactly.
तो जो भी आप manifest कर रहे हो तो वो very likely हो जाएगा. Yeah, it is law of attraction, 100%. And Nikola Tesla, I've heard about him. I mean, काफ़ी उसकी powerful techniques हैं. 369 is the number. Yes, I remember reading somewhere कि वो 369 काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूज़ करते थे. उनके रूम का नंबर 369 and everywhere, you know, wherever he used to stay was 369. And yeah, there is a lot of power to these numbers, I guess. I will go back to doing my sadhana, और जब भी हम देवी स्तुति पढ़ते हैं तो it's read either 3 times, 6 times, 9 times, 11 times.
Okay.
So I'm sure there is some power to
Yes.
these numbers.
Yes.
So worth giving a try. So is it scientifically proven though?
I would not say that it is scientifically proven. कोई ऐसे research papers and articles नहीं print हुए हैं अभी इस चीज़ को लेके, but with a lot of experience, you know, and I believe astrology believes in all these things कि इतने सारे लोग experience करते हैं चीज़ें and then they share their experiences. So we have heard and we have experienced so many people, you know, saying all positive things about these techniques. So it is definitely helpful and it is worth giving a try.
Of course.
I mean, you're not wasting anything for manifestation, so it is definitely worth giving a try.
when you say worth giving it a try, I want to know कि अब कोई ऐसा भी लिसनर हो सकता है जो ये देख रहा है, जो सोच रहा है कि you know, I have a crush on that girl or that boy. How can I manifest that person in my life? Because ये भी काफ़ी आजकल ट्रेंडिंग है कि मैं उस इंसान को प्यार करता हूँ, मैं उस इंसान को प्यार करती हूँ, तो मैं उसको अपनी लाइफ में कैसे मैनिफेस्ट करूँ.
Okay, so that is wrong. Manifestation जो हमें नहीं करना चाहिए, because manifestation we do for our betterment. और यूनिवर्स भी हमें वही देता है जो हमारे लिए अच्छा है. अब नाउ इफ़ यू आर मैनिफेस्टिंग अ गाय और अ गर्ल, मे बी वो शायद आपके लिए नहीं बना है, और यू नो मे बी यूनिवर्स इज गॉट समथिंग बेटर फॉर यू. सो वी शुड नॉट मैनिफेस्ट अ पर्सन, और उससे इट वुड नॉट गेट दैट पॉजिटिविटी, बिकॉज वो एक नेगेटिव अफर्मेशन हो गया, एक नेगेटिव manifestation हो गया. And we should not practice negative manifestation because the consequences can be wrong. It might lead you into a big trouble.
Yeah, you know, that's true, because आप सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोच रहे हो
Exactly.
at this point of time. Maybe that relationship doesn't work and maybe the breakup will even be more
Worse,
painful that you
yeah.
can even take. So yeah, definitely don't do that. And whatever in my experience, आप जो भी मांगते हो या जो भी आप wish करते हो, it should be all inclusive. You know, इसमें आपको सबका betterment देखना चाहिए. Then only it's fruitful. नहीं तो everything comes with its consequences, I guess. You know, nothing comes free in life, for sure.
True.
तो ये है. And so मैनिफेस्टेशन टेक्निक्स यही टेक्निक है सबके लिए, या कोई और टेक्निक्स भी होती हैं मैनिफेस्टेशन की? सबके लिए एक स्टैंडर्ड टेक्निक है 369 45 days.
So anyone can actually you know, do this technique 369. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप ये नहीं कर सकते हो. But people who are born on 7th or 16th or 25th of a month, they should definitely do this.
Oh,
This
जिनका नंबर
technique,
7
yeah,
है.
exactly.
Right.
So this technique will work wonders for them, because people who have got 7 in their date of birth, वो ruled by Ketu होता है, and it is a beautiful number for writing basically. So if you start practicing written manifestation, it will work wonders for you. But it's not that if you're a number 5 or a number 2 or a number 3, you can't do it. This is a very universal technique and I believe everyone should do it.
तो okay, so number 1, number 2, does that make any difference कि आप आपका 1 नंबर है, 2 नंबर है, 3 नंबर है, 7 के लिए तो आपने बोला डेफिनेटली बहुत पावरफुली वर्क करता है ये. बाकी नंबर 6, नंबर 7, नंबर 8, it doesn't really matter.
So basically what happens with numbers, like if we talk about the psychic number, which is the addition for your date of birth, like for example I am 14th, so my Mulang or psychic number would be 1 plus 4, which is 5. So basically for people who are born on 14 or 23rd or 5th of any month, they can practice 11/11 manifestation. You've heard of I mean, we all have heard about 11/11, and that's a very positive thing. Everyone talks about 11/11. So we can manifest something, like people who are born on these dates, it is an amazing manifestation technique for them. So basically what we do every night whenever it is 11/11, you just start manifesting whatever you want in your life.
अच्छा, वो आप लिखना उस टाइम.
Exactly. आप लिख सकते हो, आप उसको बोल सकते हो यूनिवर्स को, you know, the same thing. लेकिन बस ये है कि आप जब लिखते हो तो you have that consistency of writing the same things. बोलते वक्त sometimes, you know, it gets a little bit different. So इसलिए आप उस समय, if you want, you can write it down, or you can because 369, as I said, वो 3 times लिखना होता है. ठीक है. अब 11/11 पे आप 3 times तो नहीं लिख सकते हो, तो you have to just talk to the universe, या फिर आप उस समय manifest करो. For example, if you are you know, you want a promotion and you start saying at 11:11, I have got a promotion, or I have been promoted to this role, to be more specific, you know. And if we put it time bound, in 2 months' time, I have been promoted as a senior consultant, or like a BDM or something like that. So again, we have put everything there. So आपको 5 number वालों को ये करना चाहिए.
ओके तो कैन वी टॉक अबाउट ऑल द नंबर्स देन कि जैसे आपने तो उससे पहले आई वुड लाइक टू नो कि 5 नंबर्स को 11 दे कैन डू दिस अलॉन्ग विद देयर 369 टेक्निक.
They can do it if they want to, but like, you know, people, like, if they are just practicing
One
it is
technique.
better
हाँ.
that if they do one technique. Yes.
So आप okay, just to clarify also, okay, I'm number 5 for example, I'm not, but मैं 11 का अलार्म लगा लूँ and as soon as it's 11 at that point I bring my thoughts together, या 11 बजे का लगा लूँ and I sit down, I bring my thoughts together and 11 होते हैं. I just at that point I feel the energy कि okay, this is who I am, this is who I am becoming.
Yes.
That's manifestation,
Yes,
right?
that's
Okay.
correct. And this is only for people
Number 5.
5, yeah.
So okay, can we do it for all the numbers then?
Yes.
So how about somebody with number 1, born on
Okay,
1st
so-
or 10th
First to 10th. So basically for people who are 28th.
or 28th? Yes.
Yeah. So people who are born on these numbers, it is best for them if they manifest with their hands closed like this.
Like this.
Yeah, this is a mudra that they should make.
Hmm.
And they should always wish anything at least 5 times.
Okay.
So that is very good for them. Like, you know, if you want, like, as I said, that I want a promotion in 2 months' time. So, or I've been promoted as a senior consultant in 2 months. So start saying this at least 5 times.
With this.
Yeah, when doing like this is the mudra they can do.
Number 2.
So for number 2, first thing, that number 2 people, they should not do water manifestation.
What is water manifestation?
Water manifestation, when you start talking with your water, and people, you'll see that people, you know, they're talking with their water and they're drinking it.
हाँ.
Or you might have heard of water manifestation, water therapy.
हाँ.
So number 2, they should not do all these things. That will not help them at all. Okay, because sometimes people do this, that they are manifesting, they're doing water manifestation, and they say that, why am I not getting this? And then they realize, oh, they are number 2. So number 2 people, they should never do water manifestation. So the best thing for them would be to light up a diya, or they could light up a candle, or they can just light up a kapoor, which is used for pujas, like, as everyone knows. So they can light it up and then manifest.
Okay. तो नंबर 2 को वाटर मैनिफेस्टेशन नहीं करनी चाहिए आपने बोला, क्योंकि बहुत बार आजकल हम इवन इंस्टाग्राम पे भी मैंने पोस्ट कई बार देखी है कि यू टॉक टू द वाटर इज ऑलवेज लिसनिंग.
Exactly.
So number 2, if you are born on number 2, 11, you should not do it, or 20th.
Yeah.
आपको ये नहीं करना है.
Exactly.
बट इंस्टेड आप अपने घर में कैम्फर जलाओ, कोई
दिया
जला लो,
कैंडल
जला लो, एंड देन यू कैन
Yeah, you sit down and just light up a diya or a candle, and then you manifest.
दिस इज अ easier way than
Easier way.
369, जिनको
Exactly.
369 नहीं करना है. Okay,
But
so
then you have to keep on doing all these things every day.
every day for 40 days.
For 369 it is 45 days, so that is a technique, so that's why it is time bound, 45 days, and then you don't do it. But this is like a regular practice, okay, which you have to do at every day. ऐसा नहीं है कि और अगर छूट गया तो छूट गया, you cannot say कि अब नहीं हो पाया, but it's obviously it's said that you have to do it, like, you know, it's a practice that you do it every
But
day.
is there a like कि हम अगर 40 days करें consistently and then we take a break, or we just for life we just do it?
So that's a practice, as I said, which you should do every day and keep following it until
Okay.
the time you can.
Okay.
And of course, as I said, the manifestation is time bound. So like, for example, you said for 2 months, and then in 2 months time you might get that thing, you know, which you've manifested. So you've already manifested it for like 2 months, and then you've already got that, you can stop it, and then you can start manifesting something else.
Okay, and number 3.
Okay, so for number 3, the best time for number 3 is that you should manifest in the sunrise and the sunset.
अगर सिर्फ सनसेट पे कर लें, सनराइज पे ना करें,
नहीं.
बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ अस डोंट वेक अप बिफोर सनराइज.
Exactly, good question, but it is highly recommended कि आपको
Twice
दोनों
a day.
टाइम करना है. Exactly, twice
Okay.
a day, because see, that's the technique, you know. Twice a day is important. So basically क्या होता है, because 3 number is the number of Guru and Jupiter. So आपको बहुत सच्चे मन से manifest करना होता है. उस समय ऐसा नहीं होता. And even for manifestation, for all the manifestation techniques, basically you have to be really cleared up with your mind at that time when you're manifesting. You can't just sit with so many thoughts and not getting the thing which you actually want to manifest. Because अगर आपके दिमाग में इतनी सारी चीज़ें चल रही होंगी, maybe you manifest something wrong, or you start writing maybe something which is not on your priority list.
राइट.
So especially for 3 and especially for 3 आपको sunset and sunrise दोनों टाइम में without getting the thoughts, you have to sit and just meditate in the in a proper direction, and direction is पूरब की दिशा में आपको वो करना होता है, manifest करना
Sitting
होता है.
facing the east.
Facing the east, yes.
Okay.
Exactly.
And coming to number 4,
So 4 is water manifestation.
water
Yeah.
manifestation. Okay.
जैसे हमने 2 के लिए बोला ना कि आपको नहीं करना चाहिए, तो 4 वालों को वाटर मैनिफेस्टेशन करना चाहिए.
Okay.
एंड लाइक इफ़ यू कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग, अगर आप मैनिफेस्ट नहीं भी कर रहे हो, आपको हमेशा अपने वाटर को थैंक यू बोल के पीना चाहिए.
Oh wow.
स्पेशली विद द पीपल विद द 4 नंबर.
4 मतलब उनका चाहे डेस्टिनी नंबर है, चाहे उनका जो
मेनली वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द साइकिक नंबर हियर, मूलांक जिसे बोलते हैं.
Okay.
बट अगर आपका डेस्टिनी नंबर 4 है, आप कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज सी थैंकिंग योर वाटर इज नॉट बैड एट ऑल. सो आप कर सकते हैं. हाँ, बट अगर आपका 2 है और 4 नंबर आपका डेस्टिनी नंबर है,
Then don't do
देन
it.
यू शुड नॉट डू इट.
Okay.
ओके. सो आपको अपने वाटर को थैंक यू बोल के वो करना चाहिए. इट्स जस्ट ग्रैटिट्यूड विच वी आर शोइंग टू द वाटर, एंड आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. एंड इवन यू कैन adopt or you can go for some water therapies में it doesn't mean कि आपको किसी proper एक ऐसे उसमें जाना है, massage place में और a spa place. अगर if you have a bathtub at home, you can just take a bath in the bathtub, or if you've got a swimming pool at home, or if you get a chance to go in a swimming pool, you can just go in the swimming pool and swim for a while and come back. So ये सारी चीज़ें टेक्निक्स होती हैं. एंड व्हेन यू आर एक्चुअली इन दैट पोजिशन, सो यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट दोज मैनिफेस्टेशंस, कि हाँ, लाइक oh, I'm having a beautiful life, I'm enjoying, I have got 2 kids, I've got this car, I've got a 4-bedroom house, something like that, whatever you want to manifest. So basically your thoughts have to go around that.
Right.
Yes.
Right. And number 5 का तो हम बात कर ही चुके हैं.
11 and 11 at the night. So
Okay, not during the day.
Yeah, not during the morning or the day. It has to be at the night, क्योंकि उनके लिए night time best time होता है for manifestation.
Okay, so number 6.
Number 6 is a beautiful number again, Venus.
It's my number.
Yes, your number. So Venus के लिए आपने काफ़ी सारे videos भी देखे होंगे. Venus is all about good fragrances, इत्र बोलते हैं हम, and
Yes.
about your makeup, your physical appearance, and for all the people with a 6 मूलांक basically, I would suggest आप जब भी घर से बाहर निकलते हो, dress well. And especially for the girls, I would say एक लिपस्टिक तो लगा लेनी चाहिए. Like, if you don't have time, you do not want to go and do all those makeup layers and skin care and everything, तो at least put a lipstick. You should be presentable हमेशा, और अच्छे से एकदम तैयार होके जाओ. It will enhance your Venus also. And for manifestation, what you could do, you can simply put itra or some perfume on your hand and just rub it and then manifest.
Wow.
So
It
it's
could
very
be any
easy.
perfume, मतलब क्योंकि आजकल तो हमारे perfumes कोई ऐसे नहीं है ना कि वो authentic
हाँ,
perfume is
मतलब
chemical based, but
it should be इत्र अगर मिल जाए तो, but अगर alcohol free perfumes मिल जाए तो वो would those one would be better. Because थोड़ा प्योरिटी वाला वो इशू हो जाता है
कैन वी
उसमें.
जस्ट टेक अ लिटिल रोज पेटल अपने
हाँ
हैंड
हाँ
पे?
एग्जैक्टली यू नीड सम काइंड ऑफ फ्रेग्रेंस बेसिकली. आपने फ्रेग्रेंस से या फिर यू कैन जस्ट पुट इट ऑन योर क्लोथ्स एंड जस्ट रब इट. एंड एनीवेज लाइक आई थिंक परफ्यूम्स इज अ थिंग फॉर एवरीवन. सो यू जस्ट स्प्रे अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ परफ्यूम और इत्र एंड जस्ट रब इट एंड देन मैनिफेस्ट.
अमेजिंग. एंड नंबर 7 की भी हम बात कर चुके हैं.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली. 7 के लिए इवन पीपल लाइक यू नो विद 7 डेस्टिनी नंबर 7 और psychic number 7, they should definitely write. Like even if you're not manifesting, just put your thoughts into words basically. That's a very big tip from my side कि आप लिखो जो भी आपको करना है.
369 for 45 days.
Exactly. It is definitely gonna work. Even like for people who have Ketu in their charts, I mean obviously everyone has Ketu in their charts, but if you have Ketu in first house, fourth house, 10th house or 11th house, it's a beautiful place for you to manifest.
Right.
So आपको manifestation definitely करना चाहिए.
Amazing.
Exactly. And again, if we are talking about Ketu, why we should leave Rahu. So Rahu, अगर if you've got Rahu in your 11th house, आप जब भी रात को सो रहे होते हैं ना, आप पॉजिटिव सोच के सोइए.
Okay.
That is the best thing for you to manifest. This is according to the charts. I'm talking about the horoscope. So आप जब भी आप सो रहे हो ना, पॉजिटिव ही सोचो, नेगेटिव बिल्कुल मत सोचो. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपको अपने ऑफिस के बारे में सोचना है तो ये मत सोचो अरे यार कल फिर से जाना पड़ेगा, अरे यार अब कल फिर से वही काम करना पड़ेगा. डोंट थिंक लाइक दैट. Just be a little more positive and thankful, and you know, show the gratitude. So you
Think
will,
about
yeah.
all the things that you're grateful for in your
Exactly.
job, or if even if it's
Exactly.
not your job, don't think about your job. Think about the things you're
Exactly.
grateful for in your
Exactly.
life, and then go to bed.
Haan.
Which is, I think, it's amazing practice anyway to do. So that brings us to number 8.
Oh yes. So 8. 8 people, like whenever they want to manifest, it's best for them to travel when they're manifesting.
Okay, very nice.
And they should travel to the west side. Like जहाँ पे भी रह रहे हैं वहाँ से आप वेस्ट डायरेक्शन की तरफ ट्रैवल करें. So
Okay.
that would be really good for you. And travel, by travel I mean at least 150 to 200 kilometers दूर जाएं. ऐसे नहीं कि थोड़ा सा 10-20 kilometers नहीं. Just go far थोड़ा सा और keep on thinking about those things, you know, the manifestation you want to do, उसके बारे में सोचो. And it's again a beautiful manifestation technique for them. आपका traveling भी हो जाएगा, घूमना भी हो जाएगा, manifestation भी हो जाएगा.
So take short breaks if you're
Yes,
born on
yes,
8 and you
yes.
have a good reason now to do so. Short breaks
True.
लो, family के साथ जाओ and manifest
Exactly.
what you want in your life.
Exactly.
Number 9.
Yes, number 9, series ka end number. So for number 9, it's best for them to sit down and do manifestation. So it could be anywhere, you know, you sit down and you start practicing manifestation. Also, like people, if you are born on 9 or
18.
18
Yeah.
or 27th, yeah. So and if you have some issues with sleep, you know, you can sleep on the floor for good 43 days and it will help you with your sleep also.
Okay.
So for number 9, basically because it's the number of end of the series, तो आपको ज़मीन के साथ, धरती के साथ
Earth.
जुड़ना चाहिए. Yes, exactly.
So basically sit on the grass outside.
Exactly.
Don't sit on the floor या अपने bed पे मत बैठो.
हाँ.
बाहर grass पे नीचे earth पे बैठ के
Exactly.
manifest
तो आप
करो,
जितना अपने अर्थ से जुड़े रहोगे, you know, you're more grounded in the ways of sitting on the floor. So that is best for you.
Amazing. Amazing. Okay, so अब हम अपने manifestation techniques follow कर रहे हैं and how do I know it's working? अब मुझे 1 महीना हो गया, I'm following my
Yes,
techniques जो
yes.
मेरी है, मैं perfume लगा रही हूँ हाथ पे and you know I'm manifesting. So how do I know कि it's working?
Good question. So basically, if you're manifesting, आपको universe ना signs देता है, signals देता है. It'll start showing you angel numbers like 111, 111, or 1111, or 55, 555. You know, which means कि हाँ कुछ unexpected होने वाला है, या जो आप manifest कर रहे हो वो होने वाला है, या उससे भी बढ़कर maybe universe आपको देने वाला है. So ये एक बहुत ही common चीज़ है, that if you are seeing the angel numbers you should be happy about it. And also second thing, you might see feathers, और जैसे ऐसी कोई bird देख ली, which is not very common.
कुछ different सी bird
Exactly, maybe a colorful bird, and which you it's not very easy to see at times, but you saw a very colorful bird, or you get to see colorful feathers पड़े हैं नीचे, आप walk कर रहे हो and you see them, so that is a sign of universe. Also you can see these things in your dreams also.
Okay.
So again a positive sign for you.
तो नंबर्स देख सकते हो आप, डिफरेंट नंबर्स, एंड लाइक एंजल नंबर्स जैसे आपने बोला 111 या 22, 222.
Exactly.
ऐसा कहीं आपको नंबर्स बार बार दिख रहे हैं, तो नॉट जस्ट कि आपने एक बार देख लिया
Exactly.
और हो गया. तो इट्स लाइक आपको वही नंबर बार बार रिपीटेशन में कहीं ना कहीं देखने को मिल रहे हैं. किसी घर का नंबर आपको एकदम से उसी पे नज़र पड़ गई आपकी, और किसी गाड़ी के नंबर पे वैसे ही नज़र पड़ गई. सो दैट मीन्स वट एवर यूर डूइंग इज़ वर्किंग.
Exactly.
एंड कीप ऑन डूइंग इट.
Exactly.
अमेजिंग. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि हमने आज मैनिफेस्टेशन पे बात करी, एंड आई थिंक बहुत ही सारे आपने टिप्स दिए, काफ़ी इजी भी हैं फॉलो करने, स्पेशली जो नंबर्स वाले हैं. आई डोंट नो 369 for 45 days I will be able to do it or not, but I will definitely try जो मेरे नंबर के हिसाब से है.
Yeah.
And I will see how it goes, क्योंकि
Yes.
that's quite doable.
Yes,
And
it's easy.
with your numbers I think so it's quite helpful.
Yeah, it is very helpful, it is easy, and then you can practice it every day and you will see the change. Also, like if you have to be really specific कि मुझे कौन सी technique करनी चाहिए, maybe you have tried number techniques, but again the intention has to be right, but still अगर नहीं हो रहा है and you want to know a different technique or you want to try something else, we can definitely share more techniques according to your horoscope.
Okay.
So आपके horoscope के हिसाब से we can tell you different techniques, or it's not all only, we can't call it techniques, you can tell you different ways. Sometimes just by serving people you can manifest things.
Wow.
So just by staying positive, or just by doing simple things, maybe improving your communication, you are manifesting something. So अगर आपको बहुत specific ऐसी चीज़ें चाहिए, so we can definitely look into your charts, and we can also advise you with the techniques.
अमेजिंग. थैंक यू सो मच इशिता. आई थिंक बहुत ही इन्फॉर्मेटिव एंड इंटरेस्टिंग पॉडकास्ट था आज का. तो प्लीज़ कमेंट्स में हमें ज़रूर बताइए कि आपने मैनिफेस्टेशन टेक्निक इनमें से कोई ट्राई करी है या करना चाहते हैं, और अगर कर रहे हैं तो इफ़ इट्स वर्किंग फॉर यू और नॉट. इवन इफ़ इट्स नॉट वर्किंग फॉर यू, प्लीज़ लेट अस नो, एंड वील डिस्कस दैट प्रॉबली. एंड अगर आप अपने चार्ट्स दिखाना चाहते हो तो यू कैन ऑलवेज गो टू इशिता ऑन हर सोशल्स एंड कंसल्ट योर हॉरोस्कोप विद हर. आप बाकी एपिसोड्स भी ज़रूर चेकआउट करें, एंड प्लीज़ मेंशन इन द कमेंट्स इफ़ दे आर एनी एपिसोड्स, एनी टॉपिक्स दैट यूड लाइक टू कवर इन फ्यूचर. सो या, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, इस जर्नी में साथ देने के लिए. अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें, और बाकी एपिसोड्स को भी चेकआउट करें. हर एक में है एक नई सोच, एक नई रोशनी. सो सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन. टिल देन, बी बियॉन्ड ब्लिसफुल, फील राइट होम.